Can you educate briefly all the viewers as to what the difference between TRT and HRT is?
Yeah, I think HRT encompasses kind of a much broader range of different hormones. And normally when we refer to HRT, sometimes it's referred for women's HRT, but HRT in a broader sense could also be for other hormones like thyroid hormone or growth hormone or small amounts of cortisol or DHEA or DHT analogs. So, or other androgens, but TRT is more specific to testosterone replacement therapy, and TRT could be used interchangeably with women as well, because women also suffer from a form of hypogonadism, low testosterone, and it's really unrecognized in women, or it's just starting to get some more recognition as being a real cause of some of the problems, especially when you use testosterone during menopause. But for men, TRT is kind of the main concept that's derived out of originally was HRT. So there's still not a definitive answer of like, is HRT TRT, but I think HRT would cover it, and a subheading would be TRT, more referring to just the testosterone replacement form of it. So thanks for watching. Please leave comments if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time.